Hello friends, today we will discuss how to intercom or press and speak button work inside the car of lift. So friends, there is a circuit how to work. First of all, these are the terminals. These are the 5 terminals. It is ground and it is V plus 12 volt and it is P1 and P2. It is signal and L plus is also a 12 volt supply for our LED. Okay, and we use our intercom at the 3 places. One inside car, second in machine room, and third is uh, on reception. We may use on reception or the security room, etc. So here this handset at reception. Okay, and this handset for machine room. Okay, machine room means our lift machine room. Okay, and these are the terminals GND and V plus P1 P2, and these are also terminals for this handset. Ground, V plus, P1 and P2. Okay, and this is our instrument. We fix it inside of car or inside of car top. Instrument inside of car or lift. Okay, so our instrument has one number of speaker, second is mic, and third one we have volume, speaker volume, adjust button. Okay, these are three uh, these are three things: speaker, mic and speaker volume. These are our for our use, and it has also GND, V plus, P1 and P2, and it has two buttons, or it has two terminals also here, which is for its signal. P1 P2 is also signals. Okay, and this switch also works for same. This switch is a press and speak switch. Not, it's a button. Okay, this button is inside of car. We fix this instrument inside of our panel, and this push button also fixed there, but we can see this button but not this instrument. Okay, so these two are for switch on our instrument to transmit signal to our handset and for machine room. So as we push the button, so bell goes to handset to machine room, handset for reception. So this call goes to both of these place. Okay, so these are looped to each other, and this GND goes to handset GND, V positive, P1 P2 signals. Okay, GND and 12 volt for uh, switch on our handset and keep for its power supply. Okay, P1 P2 signal, just like that, P1 signal goes to there and goes there, and P2 comes just like as we receive, as it's work. I don't know how to work it, but these are signal for connect each other. Okay, and after that we also use an LED. It is a 12 volt for LED. Okay, and we use GND from here. Okay, so this is a complete a button. Okay, so this is a complete button. Okay, and we give the power supply to these intercom instrument through a backup supply, just like if light went off, then there we should have a uh, we should have we should have something to give it backup sometime, just as someone is stuck inside of car, light went off, then everything will be switch off, and how to someone will speak to anyone else. Okay, so we give it power supply from some backup. Okay, we have also backup, we put it on car top. Okay, and this is supply for machine room. This is very simple to understand intercom because it has working via 12 volt and GND only. Okay, so this is the intercom or press and speak circuit. So it's a simple. Okay friends, thanks to watch and thanks for your likes.